Hey, workout partners, Blake Castle here with Bodylastics. An exciting announcement for today, and that is the official launch of Band New, which is our resistance bands, cleaner, restore, and conditioner. Since I started this company back in 1998, one of the frustrations we've had is that as you use the product, no different from, as you walk around in your sneakers, they get scuffed, they don't look brand new, and people would contact us and say, how do I take care of my bands? How do I clean my bands? And so we gave recommendations over the years, and we even gave recommendations for some products that were toxic, so not the best recommendation, but we didn't really have any options. And then about 6 months ago, I was working out in the studio and about to do a show, and I looked at my bands that were about 1 month old, and I went, that's it, I've got to find something. I've got to put something together so that our customers can keep their bands looking like new. So I went to the drawing board. I started contacting chemical companies and started looking at other products and found a company to come up with a custom formulation for us for latex bands to make them look incredible but non-toxic and to make your bands look brand new. Hence, we call the product Band New, and it is officially launched right now. I want to show it to you. Here it is up here. When you guys order the product, you get a tube of the Band New and an applicator. So here's a 40-pound band we've been using in the studio for a while, and you can see that it's starting to get scuffed up, and the calcium from the latex is starting to come to the surface. So how do we make this look brand new? Real simple. You take your Band New, and I open the bottle, and I put some on the applicator, which comes with it as well. Let it seep into the foam a little bit, and the spongy foam, and then you rub that on the product. So up and down. Like I said, non-toxic, which is important. There really isn't a smell to it. We don't want people getting sick. We don't want, everything that we do with our sister company. If I did something that was toxic, then I would be murdered by Nicole, who is, is really the formulator and the brains behind Eternity Warrior, which is our sister company, and all that stuff that we do is about weight loss and about getting rid of the toxins. So to give you guys something that was toxic, I would have been in big trouble. So here we go. I wiped it on. I'm going to let it sit in for a second. And then you guys are going to want to wipe it off. So the great thing about Band New, you can use it as often as you want with your bands to keep them looking brand new, to keep them conditioned, to keep them clean. So you can already see that the difference between the two sides. So now I'm just going to wipe it off. You don't really have to be too firm as you wipe off, and there you go. I can already see some of the stuff is coming off on the paper towel, but there you go. The band looks, if you look at the top and the bottom, so as you look at it here, the color looks really good, and then as we go towards, you can see really the difference between where we just conditioned and then where I didn't condition. So this product will keep your bands looking amazing. Like I said, use it as often as you like to keep your bands looking their best and operating their best. It'll also repel a lot of the sweat and stuff that you guys are doing. And I don't know how long it'll extend the life of the bands. It may not extend it that long. It should, because it's conditioning it. I don't want to make any claims, but it'll keep them looking fantastic. So there you go. Band New, really exciting. I'll put a link down here so you guys can go and order it off of Amazon, and it'll be available everywhere very soon for anyone that has any type of latex band. So there you go. Blake Castle, Bodylastics, Band New. Go get yours to keep your bands looking. Look at that. It's awesome. The band literally looks brand new, and you guys will be able to do that for your bands as well. So great having you part of the family, and we'll see you guys soon. Have a great one.